Hey there, plant lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of container gardening, a fantastic way to grow your own fresh herbs and vegetables, even if you're short on space. Step 1 is all about choosing the right container. Look for a container that's at least 5-7 gallons in size and has drainage holes at the bottom. Give it a good clean, and you're ready to go. Step 2 is all about picking the right soil. A high-quality potting soil designed for containers is your best bet here. Stay away from garden soil as it can compact and hinder proper drainage. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to growing your own container garden. Remember, taking care of your plants is key, so be sure to give them regular watering and love when needed. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting!